Hello everybody, Helen Chin Lui here, Certified Reflexologist, Certified Energy Medicine Practitioner, Reiki Master Teacher, the owner of the Healing Place Energy School and the Healing Place in Medfield, Massachusetts. I want to thank you so much. Why? Today, February 25th, 2020, I have 20,000 subscribers to Reflexology Healing. And I'm like, oh my gosh, here I am. I have established this YouTube channel, I think, 5 years ago, let's say 2015. And over the 5 years, I have made approximately 300 videos. And with your thumbs up and feedback, that's why I have made so many. And I want to share this excitement with you because if it wasn't for your viewing and subscribing, I wouldn't be here where I am today. So I hope very much you've enjoyed these little tips that I've been giving you over the course of 5 years to help you to feel better. And of course, and now I'm at the point I want to teach you more. Yes, teach you more. And how do I do this? By developing those little tips, and I'm blowing it out into 2025 reflexology steps on the Healing Place Energy School. That is a big deal to me. And by teaching you, it's going to not only help you to feel better, you could share this knowledge with your friends and family members, and most of all, it empowers you to activate your healer within you. So right now, I think this week, I am going to put in, I would say about a 10-minute program on how to set up and prepare for a healing session. Because this is really important, because it's nice to learn all of these techniques. But how do you get into the mindset in actually to give a healing or receive a healing? Yes, those are very important aspects. And as a YouTube subscriber, I'm going to drop in a coupon that you could view this course free on my online Healing Place Energy School. Some of the subjects I would like to cover in this free course is going to interest you. First of all, let's talk about how to set up a sacred healing space. And we start by doing this is developing a relationship with the person that you're about to give a healing to. Or if you're healing yourself, well, I'm assuming that you already trust yourself. How to set up a sacred space in your home, in your office, or some environment. Learning how to set the intentions of what you want to do, of what you want to get out of the healing, really quite very important. Learning how to ground and protect yourself during the healing, because a lot of people don't teach healers how to keep themselves grounded and protect you as a healer from all these outside energy sources that you may not be able to see with your eyes. Learn how to use your breath during the healing. It's really quite important. And most importantly, how to protect your aura so you don't have energetic bombardment. I want to add a whole bunch of other things to this list, but you know what? I can't cover it in this short video that I want to make and talk about what I want to teach. So that's one aspect on how to set up a sacred healing space. Next subject I would like to talk about is how to develop healing skills. Learning how to trust what you feel. Learning how to use your 5 senses in the healing, because a lot of time is not just 100% technical. As you're starting to feel energy from the other person, you're going to use this information during the healing to help guide the person. And by learning how to use your 5 senses, it takes practice. I'm going to be honest with you, because no healing practice could be done in a couple sessions and you feel, okay, I'm good to go. That's not going to happen. Learn how to work with your spirit guides. I use my spirit guides all the time, even though I have a very linear brain, but I also have a very spiritual brain, and I combine the both. Learn how to trust that you're doing what you feel is right. That's probably the hardest part when you first learn how to do healing work, because you don't trust what you're doing because you don't have enough experience. This takes time to develop, and it's okay. Learn to trust what you feel. And most importantly, what do you do with creepy energy if you start to sense it from the other person, or you feel this creepy energy in the room itself. I'm going to teach you how to get rid and clear all of that energy. And I'm going to teach you to prep the receiver, the person who you are giving the healing to, how they could set up by develop their own intention. What do they want to get out of the healing? Learning to use their breath to let go, because more times than not, negative energy is the seed of just about every single illness and disease. So stress and management, but that's something that's in one of my courses already, which is a 5-part, how to manage stress and anxiety. And by teaching the person that you're working with, you could teach them how to let go. And basically you want to teach that person how to protect their energy field, the aura, from harmful negative energy attacks. So I'm hoping very much this sounds helpful to you. I could go on and teach because after all, I have done 13,000 sessions since 2006. And I just love with a passion sharing this knowledge with you. So take advantage of this free course on how to set up a sacred space and to prepare you for a healing. Remember, this coupon is only good for April 15. Take advantage of it, learn as much as you can, and come back. We have so many courses that we are offering. I am so pleased. This is Helen Chin Lui from the Healing Place Energy School. I bid you good day and feel good and awaken your inner healer.